Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will discuss about how to set up Matplotlib environment in your PC. So before installing Matplotlib, I want to just give you some introduction about Matplotlib. Matplotlib actually one of the most popular Python packages used for data visualization, and it is a cross-platform library for making 2D plots for data in arrays, and it provides an object-oriented API that helps in embedding plots in your applications, and you also can use it in Python GUI toolkits like PyQt, and it can be used in Python and IPython shells, Jupyter Notebook, and web application servers also. So the one thing you guys remember, before installing Matplotlib you need to must install NumPy in your PC. So let's start how to install Matplotlib in your PC. For that you need to write pip install Matplotlib. Okay. But if you want to install it by Jupyter Notebook, then you need to use !sample in this shell. After that you need to execute this shell. So I execute it. I already have installed Matplotlib in my PC, that's why it shows requirement already satisfied. And if you want to install it using terminal, so for terminal you need to write pip install Matplotlib. But sometimes it do not execute your Matplotlib installation command correctly. But if it shows any errors, then Google it. Maybe you have any problem in your Python versions, that's why it shows an error or something like that. So after that the installation is complete from my side, and you need to check the installation is fulfilled in your PC of Matplotlib. For that you need to check through this simple command, import Matplotlib. Okay, and after that you need to check the version of Matplotlib which is installed in your PC. So for that you need to write Matplotlib dot underscore version. So it shows 3.3.4 installed in my PC over here. So that's the way you can install Matplotlib in your PC. So thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.